In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Outlook versus Gmail. Which one is better? By the end, you'll understand the strengths of each and feel confident choosing the one that fits your day-to-day work. Let's start with Outlook. Many people prefer Outlook because its display feels very professional and structured. You get a clear layout with your inbox, a reading pane, and quick access to your calendar and tasks, all in one place. Features like the focused inbox can help separate important messages from everything else, which is great if you receive a lot of mail. The interface is highly customizable too, so you can tweak views, panes, and categories to match the way you think and work. If you like a traditional email format with folders and rules, Outlook will feel familiar and powerful. Another big reason Outlook stands out is how well it integrates with other Microsoft tools. If your work happens inside the Microsoft ecosystem, Outlook connects smoothly with your calendar, online storage, and collaboration apps. Scheduling meetings, attaching files from your cloud drive, and sharing items with colleagues are all streamlined. This tight integration can save time and reduce friction, especially in a professional environment where you're already using related apps all day. Now, let's look at Gmail. Gmail from Google is more straightforward to use and very easy to manage. The interface is clean and minimal, with a strong focus on search and quick actions. Labels and filters help you organize without getting buried in folders, and features like Conversation View, Smart Compose, and Powerful Search make handling messages fast and intuitive. If you prefer simplicity with helpful automation, Gmail is a great fit. Gmail also makes it easy to integrate more features. It connects naturally with tools for meetings, files, notes, and collaboration. You can add helpful extensions and workspace add-ons to tailor it further. Whether you need quick scheduling links, document previews, or task management right inside your inbox, it's simple to extend Gmail without making it feel cluttered. So, which one is better? Both are excellent. It really depends on your needs and preferences. If you already rely heavily on Microsoft apps and want a professional, customizable dashboard feel, Outlook is a strong choice. If you value simplicity, fast search, and easy add-ons with a minimal learning curve, Gmail is likely the better option. Try each one and see how comfortable you are with the settings and display, and go with the one that helps you work faster and more confidently.